Make up a JJVLO, Toboli, make up a JJVLO, Toboli, God bless you, Toboli,
Hi lovelies, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. Yes, guess what I'm making today? I am making my mommy's favorite today. I'm making rice and beans, or jollof rice and beans recipe. This is one of her favorites, and trust me, it's everybody's favorite in the house as well. So join me as I share this amazing jollof rice recipe with you all. To start with, I'll go in with my washed beans, and I'm using black eyed peas. You can also use any type of beans of your choice. Next, I'll go in with some water, chopped onions. The water should be enough to cook your beans, all right? I also go in with some chopped onions for flavor, cover it and allow it to cook. Moving forward, I will start by making my jollof stew. So to a clean pot, I'll go in with some cooking oil. Use any oil of your choice. And so to season or to give the oil extra taste, I'll also go in with some natural spices, which is some dried rosemary, calabash nutmeg, aniseed, and bay leaves. I'll give it a good mix, and afterwards I'll go in with some chopped onions. I'll allow the onions also to saute in the oil for about 5 minutes, and I'll proceed to the next stage. Whilst that is done, I'll go in with my blended onions, pepper, garlic, and ginger. I will list everything I use in the description box for you to check it out. I will give it a good mix, cover it, and allow it to cook until it is nice and ready. And after 5 to 10 minutes, I am back to check on it, and it's looking all good and just perfect. But I'll give it a good mix, cover it again, and allow it to cook very, very well. Alright, so after extra 10 minutes, the pepper sauce is ready. So I'll go in with my tomato paste. You can also use fresh tomatoes if that is what you prefer. I'll give it a good mix, cover it for extra 10 to 15 minutes on a low medium heat until it is nice and ready. Whilst it's cooking, don't forget as well to check it from time to time to avoid it from burning. Alright, and so whilst that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you for always liking my video, sharing and commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. So moving forward, after the tomatoes is ready, I'll also go in with my seasoning, which is some all-purpose seasoning, stew seasoning powder, nutmeg, and some salt to taste. Use any seasoning or spices of your choice. I'll give it a good mix, and since I love sweet things, I'll go in with some canned beef. You can also go in with some mackerel in tomato sauce if that is what you prefer. Trust me, this combo was just perfect. Trust me on this one. So I'll cover it on low medium heat and allow it to cook. Moving forward, we are back to check on our beans, and at this point it is halfway cooked. So I'll go in with some salt to taste. Everything is totally to your taste. All right, stir very well, cover it again for about 10 to 15 minutes and allow it to cook until it's soft enough for us to enjoy. Moving forward, we are back to check on our stew, and it's also looking all good and just perfect. At this point it is ready, so I'll set some of the stew aside. It's always advisable for you to set some of the stew aside if you think it's too much for the rice. Afterwards, I'll go in with my washed rice. Use any rice of your choice, whether being local rice or perfume rice, you are good to go. I'll give it a good mix, and I realized the stew wasn't enough, so I went in with just a little bit of it, and it was just perfect. Afterwards, I'll also go in with my water. The water you add to your jollof rice really depends on how soft you want your rice to be. I'll cover it on low medium heat and allow it to cook. And also remember to check your rice from time to time to avoid it from burning. So I checked the rice for the first time and I still have some moist in it. And so to help the rice cook very fast, I'll cover it with some aluminium foil. You can also use parchment paper if that is what you have, all right? And after like 10 to 15 minutes, this is how it turned out. It's not ready. As you can see, it's a little bit hard. So I'll give it a good mix. I'll cover again and allow it to cook until it softens a little bit. Whilst that is going on, let me also remember you that subscribing is free. So if you haven't done that yet, please do want to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the post notification bell as well so that anytime I upload a new video on this channel, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that. All right, so after cooking it for extra 10 minutes, this is how the rice looks like. It is 90% done, so I'll go in with my cooked beans. This is the stage I love to go in with my beans. You can as well go in with your beans right after you are done with the stew, and you will go in with the rice with it. But I just prefer it this way because I just don't want the beans to get too soft. Yes, I really want to enjoy these beans very well. And not only these beans, I'll also go in with some veggies as well. Use any vegetable of choice, or you can even omit it if you don't want to. I'll cover it for about 5 to 10 minutes on a low medium heat and allow it to cook until it is nice and ready. Whilst that is going on, if you haven't still liked this video, baby, what are you waiting for? Kindly give this video a thumbs up. Share this video also to reach wider audience. Thank you so much for doing that. Fam, let me know in the comment section what you think about this rice and beans or jollof rice and beans recipe with you, or it came out so good. The taste in there which is amazing. I hope you're going to try this recipe for your family and they all are going to love it. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Thank you for watching. Família já